Port Au Prince, Haiti, August 25, 2021. The Chargers of Helicopter Sea Combat Squadron, HSC-26, pick up and deliver boxes of food to Haitian citizens during a humanitarian aid mission supporting the U.S. Agency for International Development, USAID, August 25, 2021. HSC-26 is attached to the San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock ship USS Arlington, LPD-24. Arlington is deployed to U.S. Naval Forces Southern Command U.S. 4th Fleet to support humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, HADR, efforts in Haiti following the 7.2 magnitude earthquake on August 14, 2021. U.S. Navy video by Mass Communications Specialist 2nd Class Jack D. Astor.